us your name.
Marie Guerrero
Where you from?
from Cebu City.
Is this your first time in Korea?
My first time in Korea.
What's been your favorite part of the tour so far?
The Sokchon Lake where the cherry blossoms were, and the palace, Yokbokgong Palace,
Okay.
and I think almost everything.
Tell me your name.
I'm Glenda Lumayag Augusto
Is this your first time, ma'am, sa
Yes.
Korea? Taga-diin gani ka?
from Lapu-Lapu City.
So far sa atong tour, unsay pinakaganahan nimo?
Everything nga naa sa itinerary, nadto na namo tanan. Then regarding sa foods, full pack per me. Sa bus, okay, wala problema. Then sa weather, okay ra jud, enjoy ra gid min tanan. Then regarding sa among tour guide nga mga gwapa, accommodating kay sila, so wala jud may problema kay everything well planned.
Tell me your name.
My name is Lancelot Marco Colino.
Is this your first time in Korea?
Yes, it's my first time in Korea.
What's been your favorite part of the tour so far?
I think the tour has been brilliant, but the one that stands out to me the most is the one in Namsan Tower. I think it's been lovely there. Hopefully, I think we've got another day here, so hopefully we can explore more here.
Can you tell us your name
I am Michael Arden A. Manis.
and where you're from?
I am from Cebu.
First time nimo sa Korea?
Yes, first time.
What's been your favorite part of the tour so far?
So far, my favorite part was the first day. It was so cold, but the experience was so nice.
Tell us your name.
We are the Olikianos. My name is Christy and my
Nine
husband is Neil.
Is this your first time in Korea?
Second time.
Yeah. Second,
First one was in Jeju.
Okay. So this is your first time in
Not Seoul. Yeah, in
Seoul.
Seoul. First
Okay. So is it okay if I'll ask some questions?
time. Sure.
What's been your favorite part of the tour so far?
First was the Everland because of the flowers. The second one was the cherry blossom. Nice unta to ang Garden of the
Morning.
Morning calm, but raining man good siya, so dili kay nimo siya masuloy tanan ba because of the rain. But
So-
still nice gyapon.
nice.
In 3 words, unsa imong ma-describe sa tour?
We're loving it.